Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ines, and I help people like you grow their online business and make money from home. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your first 10 signups in LiveGood fast. If you're struggling to get signups or just getting started, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear action plan to start growing your LiveGood business today. So, make sure you watch till the end and hit that like button if you're excited. Let's dive in. Understanding why people join LiveGood. Before you start recruiting, you need to understand why people join LiveGood. Most people sign up for one of two reasons. They want high-quality, affordable health products. They want good signups. Here are 3 simple ways to use it effectively. Post value-based content. Share tips on health, wealth, and personal growth to attract the right people. Use stories and reels. Short videos get tons of views and engagement. Show your excitement about LiveGood. DM strategy. Message people who like or comment on your posts. Build relationships first, then introduce LiveGood naturally. Leverage YouTube and TikTok. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok are powerful for long-term passive leads. Example video topics. LiveGood Honest Review, my first 30 days. How to make money online with LiveGood. LiveGood versus traditional MLM, what's the difference? You don't need fancy equipment, just your phone and a simple script. Paid traffic, if you want to go faster. If you have a budget, paid ads can help you get signups faster. Some effective methods include Facebook and YouTube ads. Run simple ads leading to your affiliate link. Solo ads. Pay for email traffic from professional marketers. Google ads. Target people searching for LiveGood reviews. Follow up, more signups. Most people won't sign up the first time they hear about LiveGood. That's why following up is key. Here's a simple follow-up message. Hey David, I just wanted to check in. Did you get a chance to watch the video I sent? Let me know what you think. A simple follow-up can double your signups. And there you have it, the exact steps to get your first 10 signups in LiveGood. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below and let me know which strategy you're going to try first. Want to join my LiveGood team? Click the link below. https://livegoodtour.com INI 1963. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's build your LiveGood business together. See you in the next video.